likes checking the mail? Hey everyone, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So, my Ipsy bag is here. Yeah, so I did look at the spoilers. But I forgot what's in there. Ooh! So this bag totally brings me back to the 80s, maybe early 90s when I was a kid. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright. So, there is a lip tint from Pera. It's Ink Velvet in the color Love Sniper Red. Let's open it and see how, holy little Batman. This is the cutest tiny thing ever. But what the hell, really? Okay, I got something from Tarte. I think it's a blush because, you know, that's what I like Tarte for. So I'm gonna assume that's what everyone likes Tarte for. Okay, so it is a blush. It's in the color Quirky. It's a peachy nude. I'm saying meh because I have a lot of peachy nude blushes, so I'm not super excited about that. Ooh, I got an eyebrow pencil in the color Chocolate from Scone Cosmetics. I'm not going to use it because I have already done my makeup for the day, but bye frizz, because when my hair gets a little longer, you know, like come spring, there's gonna be a need, and it's a protecting leave-in conditioner, so hell yeah, woo! Gonna be nice for traveling too because it's a little one. The tiniest Bonnie Duminizer from the Balm. Really, the Balm? So that was my Ipsy bag. Do I really need it? Probably not. But I'm grateful. So I've got a year of Ipsy under my belt now. Do I need it? Nah, not really. I think I'm going to cancel. Though I do like these little bags that I don't use. Okay, so if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Sorry to leave that on a negative note, but I'm just now thinking there's better things I could spend that $10 on. Like coffee.